Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I'm here today in Nonna's kitchen with my fabulous Mama Angela.
Ciao a tutti! I love all the fans of Cooking with Nonna.
So in case you guys wondered where I get my leopard obsession from, it is hereditary. Nonna has it too. But today we decided that we would cook for Nonna. So we're going to bring you a very simple and delicious recipe. Ma, what are we making today?
Macaroni with peas. Something fabulous, so quick to make. You know, I always take the easy way out. Capisci? I don't waste my time. And to tell the truth, in the beginning, the kids didn't like it. But then I told them, hey, o mangiati questa minestra o buttati dalla finestra. Like they had no choice. I said, if you don't eat it, you could throw yourself out of the window. But now
we love it.
They love it.
Who doesn't like peas and macaroni? It's one of the most Italian-American classic dishes I can think of. And unlike Nonna's version that is white and brothy, we have a link to that, we are making a yummy red version to knock your socks off. All right?
Yes.
Now, Ma, we going to start?
Oh, yes. I love the color of red. They're like my little horns. They bring me luck. You see, I'm touching them, Rossella.
Yeah. Oh, my God.
Yeah, I don't do anything important if I don't touch my horn. Corna e biscorna, chi ci vuole male? Horns to whoever hates us.
My mother believes in the malocchio
Oh, yeah,
fiercely.
absolutely. Bad energies.
Like every Italian mom.
No. I get away from certain people, and a secret, I just do this. Okay,
Ma,
let's start.
Can we cook
start.
now?
Yes,
You
we
done?
can cook. We have the good energies. Let's cook. Andiamo.
I don't know where you're going.
Here, by the stove. Okay. Why, you think I'm going to run away now?
When it's time to cook, you tend to run away and make me do it now.
Of course. I'm
right.
retiring.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's make the pasta pizza.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Now, let's get some oil in the pan. When you make sauce, you always start with the oil. The oil is the base of everything for Italians. Very important. And, yeah, I guess I have enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some extra virgin olive
Of
oil.
course, always extra virgin.
Ma,
the
how do
best.
you make something extra virgin?
Please, it's a secret.
It's a secret.
Yeah. Now, okay.
It's on. Okay.
Yeah.
And now put the onion.
Well, not yet. Okay? Always wait for those little bubbles.
Ma, there are no little bubbles.
No. The oil has to get hot. Capisci? Hot. Ready. And, you know, when you see those little bubbles, then you put the onions. Capisci? Wait.
Okay.
It's always good to wait.
Oh,
then
look,
be
Ma,
sorry.
little bubbles. Okay, put the onion.
Okay. Right. Okay. Now we put the onions. Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah, nice. See? Smells good.
Smells delicious.
Oh,
Let's
mamma
put it
mia.
back over here.
Always be around the food that you're cooking.
Really?
And the food is like a child.
But you cook and then you walk away
No,
and you make an espresso.
No. Absolutely. No,
Yes,
no.
you do.
No. After, when I finish, of course, I need espresso. Before I cook, I need my espresso. Before and after.
Before, after, during.
Yeah. But
she needs
never
espresso.
leave the food unattended when you're cooking. Because then, you never know, a fire.
A fire.
You know, you can create a fire. Anything can happen. Oh, now we could put la passata.
And passata, if you guys don't know, are strained Italian tomatoes. So it's pureed and there's no seeds and no skin in passata.
Wow, the best.
And this is actually available in our online shop in La Bottega.
Great. And now some salt.
Some salt. I like it salty, so give it to me.
Okay, you do it.
Okay.
I love to boss you around.
Thanks, Ma.
I'm still your mother.
I know, Ma, in case I forget.
Good.
Little bit of salt. Salt back.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, now.
Just want to let the sauce cook a tiny little bit before we add our water to make the delicious tomato broth.
Yes. Ah, smells so delicious.
This is the Ange classic recipe.
Yes. Nice and easy. That's my motto.
Nothing too strenuous.
No, don't overdo it, girls. Life is short. Okay. I think it's ready.
Okay, another 2 minutes, and then we can put water.
Yes. Yeah, no, I think, yeah. The sauce is getting agitated. It's time to put water. Look,
Okay.
Yes, great.
So for the complete recipe and a full list of ingredients, please head to cookingwithnonna.com. We'll have everything spelled out for you there. I'm going to put another thing of water.
Great. And now we are ready for the piece. The final step.
It's not the final step, Ma.
Almost.
So these are just frozen peas. You could throw them in frozen. And what's going to happen is as this boils, it's going to cook the peas. And then we're going to throw the pasta in, toss it together, and there you go. 1, 2, 3, you're done. You're going to eat.
And it's delicious, let me tell you.
So delicious.
Yes.
This is one of those Italian-American comfort food dishes that I can't get enough of.
Yes.
Let's raise the flame a little bit. Okay, so the peas are starting to boil now, and we threw the pasta in. Now, Ma, you cook the pasta separate.
Of course, because I don't want the starch in my sauce. It's very bad for you, okay?
So some people, it's not bad for you, Ma.
I don't like it.
Okay, so it's not bad for you guys,
Okay,
but it's totally a personal preference sort of thing.
Yes.
My family, every time we've made even the white pasta with peas, we always cook our pasta separate. And, you know, that's because, you don't want it to boil in the sauce that you're making and get it too starchy.
Yes, absolutely. The pasta has to be al dente because you never know. If you want to eat it the day after, you know, the leftover, you want to warm it up, the pasta will never get ammusciata.
Ammusciata pasta is never good.
No, very bad. No.
I'd
rather not eat it.
Okay, let's check this pasta. It's probably still perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. We're ready to rock and roll.
Yes.
So you want to let that drain nice.
Yes.
You could drain it the other way too, but I love this thing.
Yes. See? Nice and easy. And fast.
Giralo.
Okay. Now we just turn it.
Be careful.
Delizioso.
Perfect.
Very good. You see?
Can I do it, Ma?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Ma, go relax. I got it for you.
Okay, thank you.
I'll bring it to the table.
Of course.
In the big bowl for you.
Yes.
Okay, so this is delicious. This pan's a little too small. It happens. What are you going to do? But you just want to let this boil a tiny bit. Not too much. Everything's ready. Everything's perfect. And the only thing that this needs now is a little bit of grated cheese on top, which I'm sure Nonna is grating. So let's plate this, and then we're going to go check them out at the table, and we're all going to taste it. 3 generations of tasting macaroni and peas. Oh my God, this looks so good.
Delizioso. Delicious.
Oh my God, I cannot wait to eat this. This looks amazing. Oof. Nonna, you got some cheese?
Yeah, sure.
Let me see.
I have a lot.
You have a lot of.
Sure.
Okay. Matt, you want cheese?
A little bit.
A little bit, okay. Some Parmigiano on top.
Benissimo.
A little bit for me.
Okay.
Thank you.
You guys ready to eat?
Yes.
Sure.
I'm hungry.
You
It wasn't enough cheese?
You want?
I didn't
No,
put
no,
enough
no, no,
cheese
no.
for you?
No, you don't put too much for me.
Yeah, she loves cheese.
I love cheese.
You guys ready to taste this?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Buon appetito.
They look so good. I love her.
Oh my god.
Mm.
This tastes like home.
Very good.
Delicioso.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. As you can see, this came together so quick, so easily, and it's enough to feed an army or an Italian family. So.
Mm.
Mm. Mara, I cannot wait. I could eat 3 bowls of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma, you love it, right?
I love it.
I love it. I love the 2 of you. So let's toast to 3 generations of macaroni and peas.
Yes.
Feeding us for years and years.
Years and years.
Alla salute.
I drink wine out of a
Salute.
Nutella glass.
Alla
It's my
salute
favorite
di
glass.
Gianni pure.
Alla salute, yeah. Nonna just toasted to our cameraman, Johnny, who's also our cousin, Kumbara.
And the best.
And the best. Yeah, the best in the biz. Not because he's my cousin, just because. But thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Cooking with Nonna and Mama.
Arrivederci. I love all Rossella's fans. Of course. You too, Mama.
Arrivederci everybody.
Nonna-
Good luck.
Nonna loves everybody.
Yes.
Mhm.
Ciao.